Should have squared this off first so it's not an intermittent cut, but it'll be okay. Not too bad a finish. All right, just getting ready to take the final pass and parting this off. Alright, so not too bad. Little burr left on this side. I had to part it from both sides because it was wider than my thinnest saw. But here's our parts. So now just need to machine the hole in the back and the hole for the other bolt. Alright, so here's our part. Got a couple of them. And just gonna put it down in the in its place here, and that's how it looks. But you can see that it sort of ramps up because there's a radius in that casting right there, and I need to match that radius on the end of this part. Okay, so now we just have our part. I matched the radius, that inside corner, and now you can see we have a nice machine fit here, and got that on both sides there. So now we just need to locate these holes for the bolts and drill the holes. Lines up perfect. I doubt you guys will be able to see down into that hole, but we'll try. So good fit up. Now we just gotta locate the spot for the set bolts and drill that. All right, guys, it's just loosely mocked up here, and just so I can show you how this is gonna work. Machined end is going to go into this block, and then push it forward. Same on the other side. So that's pretty much it. Those parts are done. See if I can show you a little better angle here. So just machine hole down there and just put flies in there. Alright guys, just gonna start working on this part now. The part that connects the foot pedal to the forks. And I ran a plumb bob from here, from this hole, down, and it falls in front of where it was mounted before. So that's what I'm going to make the new saddle mount to fit, and just welded it just here, and gonna go ahead and fit this part up now. All right guys, so just a little update here. Just fabricating the part to control the forks, and I don't know if you can tell, but this hook part is a little bit interfering. It's got to be bent at a 90-degree angle. That won't be so bad anymore. But here's the part, and this is the part that's going to go through there. So I just got to drill a through hole, and then a through hole through here, and then make the connection to go up. So then make the connection to go here and put the turnbuckle in.